so we're treating Kenzie's car to these new lights that we've got. They're like the Halo R53 type sort of ones. They only work if you've not got xenons at the moment. So these would be a nice upgrade if you've got a mini one or a Cooper that doesn't have xenons, or even if you do have a Cooper S that doesn't have xenons. So it comes with instructions, although we have done this video to make it a little bit easier for you guys rather than trying to follow this one. It comes with these wire connectors as well in the packet. You can use the bulbs that these come with or your own bulbs.
Okay guys, so we're going to show you some new mods today on Kenzie's R50. So here's his standard light with his nice little eyebrow and wrap. But what we've supplied him with here, oh yes, brand new headlights with the halo rings. So we'll give you some demos now. As you can see, that should be the little ring, and then we've obviously got main beam, and then we've got high beam. So as you can see there, we've just got the bottom ones on. So the beauty of these ones is as well, if you want to smooth this out, you can do, because now your side light's up here. So you can either keep them together if you want, or get rid of this and go for the completely smooth look. Okay guys, so we're just going to show you how to remove these lights on an R53. So you've got 3 bolts, 2 at the back there, and then 1 obviously at the front there. Obviously you've got your electrical connection as well, so that needs unplugging, put that away. 2 bolts have taken out there, so it's just this one left. And that's it basically, and then the whole light unit will come out as such, like that. So new headlight, obviously just leaving the film on for protection to start with, so it's just a case of dropping that in there, lining up on the back. Those 3, and then it's just your 3 bolts back on. So obviously the original plug goes back into this one, so obviously they click up together. Now you'll see on these, and we'll go into this in a minute, so you've got your extra halo rings, wires, and we've also got an extra, the black and white ones are the halo rings, and then we've got another one there for this bulb here, depending on how you want to use it. Obviously you can wire it up to whatever you want. So we'll get onto that now. Right guys, so we've got them all bolted in. Obviously bolts are on, connectors are back in. So these extra wires here, what we've done, this is only what we've done, not what you have to do. So you've got 2 separate ones. You've obviously got your halo ring there, and you've obviously got a normal side light bulb there. We've tapped these in together and run them down to the side light bulb, as you can see. Now obviously we're not going to leave it like this, it all needs tucking back in, chunking, putting around it, etc., and obviously soldering up, but we're just showing you the general installation. Now you don't have to follow these rules, you can do whatever you want with the halos. So obviously most people are going to put them in the side lights, but you could swap this for an indicator, for instance. Another side, main, whichever you decide to wire it up to basically. So there you go, gives you plenty of options, and obviously not every set's going to be the same, so let's see them.